What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another mod for our BMW F80 M3. One of the ones that we have been waiting for a very long time. It's the titanium equal length, single mid-pipe and valved axle back. So as you can see, the full system is made from titanium, and on our car we will be running the stock downpipes for now. You can see over here on our colleague's car right over there. We already have the 200 cell downpipe on with this system, and then we can compare this full system with his car on our car, and that is what we're going to do today. So there we go, we got the exhaust installed on the F80 M3. We'll walk you through how the system looks and then show you of course how it sounds. So it's exactly the same setup that you already seen on my colleague's car. So in the front, we start with an equal length section with an additional brace here in the middle. It's a resonated mid-pipe to dampen some of the sound. Right here, this is the single mid-pipe section. This makes the sound a lot deeper compared to other equal length sections, and the equal length in front makes the sound higher pitched. So what we are trying to do here is combine the high pitch from there with the lowered pitch from here, and then it spreads into two pipes to the back to the valved rear muffler. To explain how the equal length and single mid-pipe works, the single mid-pipe section is responsible for the lower ranges of the rev range. So when you cruise around, you still hear the S55 engine, and when you surpass the 4000 RPM mark, then the equal length starts to work. So that is when you hear the traditional 6-cylinder come to life. So these are the original valves. We reused the original valves, which connects to the OEM cables from the car. This is the rear muffler, and on our car we now have the titanium, matte titanium exhaust tips. Looks incredible on the Tanzanite blue color, and yeah, let's drop the car and see how it sounds. I want to thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.